The Magic Keyboard with Touch ID offers fast, easy, and secure authentication for logging into your Mac or unlocking it with just a touch. Designed with comfort and precision in mind, this keyboard provides an extended layout, complete with document navigation controls for quick scrolling and full-size arrow keys, making it ideal for gaming. The numeric keypad is particularly useful for working with spreadsheets and finance applications. The keyboard is wireless and equipped with a rechargeable battery, which lasts for about a month or more on a single charge. It pairs automatically with your Mac, so you can start working right away. Included in the package is a woven USB-C to Lightning cable that allows for both pairing and charging via your Mac's USB-C port. What's included? Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and numeric keypad, USB-C to Lightning cable. Technical specifications: height 0.41 to 1.09 centimeters, 0.16 to 0.43 inches, width 41.87 centimeters, 16.48 inches, depth 11.49 centimeters, 4.52 inches, weight 0.369 kilograms, 0.81 pounds. General features: multimedia keys for easy access to system functions. Connectivity: Bluetooth, Lightning port, wireless. System requirements: a Mac with Apple Silicon running macOS 11.4 or later. The Magic Keyboard is compatible with a wide range of Mac models, including the latest MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac, Mac Studio, and Mac Mini models. It ensures smooth, efficient functionality across multiple devices with Apple Silicon. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Tech Voyager channel for more updates.